Daddy. I'll be right back. You want to get your daddy? Say daddy, birdie. What do you think you're doing? I'll be right back. What do you think you're doing in my chair? Huh? Huh? He's right here. I miss your daddy too. I'll be right back. Pearly Bird, what are you doing? Huh? Come here. Right now. Right now. Hey, Pearly Bird. Nice and warm? You want to get your daddy? Daddy's right here. What do you think you're doing to a chair? Huh? Hello. How are you? Hello. Here's Thumper. Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hi, Pearly Bird. Your new name is Pearl. I love Pearl. I love Pearly Bird. Hi, Pearl. How you doing? You good? Pearly Bird. Daddy's here. I'll be right back. Daddy loves you. What do you think you're doing in my chair, huh? What are you doing, Pearl? Playing with that plastic? Huh? These two are out in the aviary tonight. Got a heater on it so they can stay nice and warm. It's indoor, outdoor. They have the freedom to come inside the house if they get too uncomfortable or too cold or too warm or scared. Fresh and hot. Want to get your daddy? Fresh and hot birdie bread, huh? You miss your daddy?
Where's your daddy, Birdie?
Oh, daddy's right here, baby.
Get daddy, Birdie.
You want to get daddy, birdie?
I miss your daddy.
Well, daddy's right here, sweetheart.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. Hey, Pearly Bird.
I miss your daddy.
You go see daddy? Okay.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
I'll get your daddy, Birdie.
Such a smart bird.
I'll get your daddy, Birdie.
Want to get your daddy, birdie?
I miss your daddy.
I know. I miss your daddy, too. That's code for I love you. Huh? Say I love you. What? How do you say I love you? How do you say I love you in parrot? Huh? How do you say I love you? Say I love you, Tanzania. Say I love you. What?
What's your daddy, Birdie?
What's your daddy, birdie?
I miss your daddy.
I miss your daddy. That's right.